And guess what? We're back in Celebration. In one of the neighborhoods. This wasn't really planned, and this is actually an alternate plan. So we got done with Hollywood Studios pretty early, so my plan was to head over to Old Town, which is near Celebration. And what I discovered is that while it is probably usually busy, it is next to the fun spot, so a lot of people go into both Old Town, which is kind of this little downtown shopping area, plus Fun Town, which is like the amusement park. My original plan was to walk through Old Town and then see if I can get a single pass for the Ferris wheel at Fun Town. But there's also apparently a big car show going on tonight as well. And so the TLDR basically is that it was a complete chaotic mess over there with parking. The standard lots for Old Town were all full. They do have a big parking lot for Fun Town, but I think that was paid parking. All the other little businesses around there had paid parking lots as well. Sort of like a concert event. It was crazy. People were parking on the street, people were parking on the grass. And I'm just not familiar with the area or the laws enough to go anywhere near that. So we headed back to Celebration. Our second visit to Adam the Woo's current place of residence. But I also know from watching some of Adam's videos that their holiday celebration can also be a little bit of chaos. So I'm parked way down close to the highway pretty much, and we're hoofing it, walking over to Market Square once again. The good thing though is that this should be a pretty easy in, easy out for me. I know they have a lot of strict parking rules for this Christmas event. I've heard Adam complain enough about the parking around downtown Celebration, in particular during this Christmas event. Tonight is certainly another chance to run across Adam. I don't think he's covered this event this year, at least I don't remember seeing a recent video. And there's Market Square. Alright, welcome to Market Square, where all the people are apparently. Yeah, I don't really know too much about this event. I mean, I've watched a bunch of Adam's videos, but I feel like this has to be opening weekend for their holiday festival, which would kind of make sense being that it is the first weekend after Thanksgiving.
Way down low, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
But how could Adam not be at this thing tonight? I won't find out until tomorrow morning because his videos are delayed by one day, but how could he be not doing this? I could actually use a piping hot caffeinated beverage myself tonight. It is chilly. I do have my jacket, but it is Florida cold.
Holy night.
Little husky dogs. What are they doing in Florida? There's a line for something. I don't really want to do lines. I think I mentioned in the other celebration video, though, that I totally understand why Adam likes living here. The crowds might get to be a little too much for me after a while. This is not the quiet country life here, but it is definitely a little hot and social town. Really cool. Oh my god. I kind of want to move here now. The one Achilles heel for me. And it's the same where my friends live over in Newtown, St. Charles, Missouri. Way too much parallel parking for me. That's just one of those things that's always gonna keep me from moving to towns like this. Unless I had the little golf cart like Adam. Maneuvering and parking on these little streets is such a pain. To clarify though, you can get houses with driveways here and out in Newtown as well. But often the driveways are kind of small, so if you have more than one vehicle, you may still need to deal with the parallel parking. I don't really have any other particular plans here in Celebration. It's just very random thing, you know? I said, heck it, let's come back to Celebration. Looks like we got Santa here, our little gingerbread house that we saw earlier. That makes sense. Bubble wands, yeah. It's a little bit of Disney without the Disney prices, right? Bit of a line for piping hot caffeinated beverages currently. Avocado. I didn't call you, tequila did. Oh, there you go. Temperatures are in the 20s currently in Chicago. Wind chills tonight, below zero. It's gonna warm up just slightly when we head back up there next week. Nice little area here without any crowds. Well, I didn't get a chance to meet you, Cooligator, but if you're in there somewhere, hope it's not too cool for you. Pun intended. Adam may have come here earlier as well. It's been dark for a little while now. It gets dark so early. We were still at Hollywood Studios when it first got dark, but I know he will be covering this event very soon. Oh, we're gonna catch the snow. Oh my gosh. I've seen this from Adam's video. Oh my god, I almost forgot about this. Florida snow for you. It's just over here. Remember, these are Florida residents that don't really know what snow really is. Oh, that was awesome. Even though I'm very familiar with what snow is, that is really cool. I've seen that so many times through Adam's videos. Very awesome. I completely forgot about the Florida snow that they do here at Celebration. It's soap. Yeah, that's what it is, a soap. Pretty cool neon there. If you didn't see my recent daytime visit to Celebration, I will link it in the description below. Celebration Florida was developed by Disney in 1994, obviously with a very Main Street USA vibe going for it. Disney no longer owns this town, but this town was definitely heavily influenced by Disney. Now I'm kind of curious if we can actually walk this trail at night. I've seen Adam walk it tons of times during the daytime. A little creepy, but it is technically lit. Now, if I was Adam, this would be probably the point where I do some walk and talk and discuss my life choices and my plans for the future, but I won't do that to you tonight. Tonight, I'm just here to enjoy this. Man, that is nice. All right, you've sold me on Celebration, Adam. Unfortunately, the wife is never going to let me leave McHenry, so I don't know what to tell you. Very nice lighted path, but this is definitely not the spot that I want to meet Cool the Gator at. And of course, the Florida summers. It's the upper 50s right now. Unseasonably cool, which is funny to say. Coming from Chicago. This would be a beautiful November evening in Chicago, but it's not always like this. One thing you have to remember, if you ever do want to move out here. At some point I would like to stay at the Celebration Hotel. And we did it. 2 visits to Celebration. Pretty cool. Still, no Adam the Moose sighting, but this was fun. I really enjoyed this. Very cool town indeed, and really awesome. I got to see the Christmas festival down here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.